Today, doctors and other Valley healthcare professionals met with government officials. Their talk all about healthcare.
Yeah, Channel 5's Christian Colon back with more of their ideas to attract more services to our area. Christian?
Yeah, from the lack of insurance to the lack of doctors in the area. These are just some of the issues discussed today at the Edinburgh Conference Center. For Roxana Casanova, her family's health is the most important. But for some of her loved ones, staying healthy is complicated.
I mean, they don't have papers, so they don't want to go to the hospital at the risk of immigration or it's too expensive than the bill, and you know what I mean? So a lot of people just self-medicate or they don't do anything about it.
Casanova says the high cost of going to the hospital prevents her husband from getting professional treatment, so he counts on self-medication.
Go to the dollar store and buy some medication. But it worries me because you know how that he doesn't know if he has high blood pressure. He doesn't know if he's diabetic. I mean, so you're risking taking any medication, self-medicate. It's very, very risky.
The high number of uninsured people is one of the biggest issues brought up in conversation. Dr. Carlos Cardenas says today is about shining a light on the problems that are unique to the Valley and try to find solutions.
There are problems that are very unique to our population that aren't just in our population but in other parts of the country as well. But we have more of it here. For example, fatty liver disease, which is very related to both problems, obesity and diabetes.
Cardenas says knowing the problems is half the solution. A big chunk of it is getting lawmakers to understand and act. Another attendee, Texas Senator Juan Chuy Hinojosa, who shared some solutions.
Focus on primary healthcare doctors. There's such a shortage, and they're really key to part of the team to be able to manage and oversee the health care of a patient. And we don't have that yet. There's a lack of coordination among the specialists and the primary care doctors.
Part of the doctor shortage problem, Hinojosa says, is trying to find incentives for the Valley students to practice primary care medicine. So when they graduate, they end up staying for residents like Casanova.
I mean, they could step up and help out people like that doesn't have insurance.
She hopes officials think of her family when making laws. Other issues addressed included mental health and uninsured children. Dr. Cardenas says one way you can be part of the conversation is by learning what lawmakers stand for and support those policies that will benefit you, especially in an election year. In the studio, Christian Colon, Channel 5 News at 6.